I'm very excited to see the moving averages which you have plotted. If I'm not wrong, it's 20, 50, 100, and 200, right?
Exactly.
And you will be, pleasantly surprised to see exactly the same template which I use, except I use 21 moving average and 55 for short term and 100,
Sure.
200. So this template looks quite similar to me. Very, very good to see. So could you explain the relevance of all these four moving average in your setup?
So the first thing that I like to do, whether I'm sorting through a sector or I'm sorting through individual stocks, is I want to sort by relative strength.
So the
this
relative
tells me,
strength, sorry to disturb you in the middle. The relative strength in this case is RSI 14, which is the usual thing which all of us use, right?
correct.
Okay. So any stock with a very high RSI is strong, and any stock with a low RSI is weak. That's what you use.
Exactly.
All right.
Exactly.